Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. So, if neutral tones aren't your vibe, try going for this bold and colorful look for 2025. This look is going to create an illusion for larger eyes and add dimension to hooded lids. So, if you're ready for this bold retro look, grab your makeup bag and let's dive in. It's been a while since I done a full face, so we're gonna start with primer, Kat Von D lightweight featherweight primer, and just making sure I massage that into my skin. So while my primer sets into my skin, I like to first start off with my eyebrows. And this brow product is from Revlon. It comes with its own spoolie. It's waterproof, smudge proof, and I can definitely say that it is good in that department. I like to tend to get my eyebrow products 1 to 2 shades lighter than my original natural hair colors so that it doesn't look so bold and loud, but that's just my preference. Next, I like to clean up underneath my eyebrows because we have some discoloration from plucking them. So this is just going to make everything look cohesive and just make everything look clean and sharp. I go in next with a color corrector. Now this product is pretty new for me. I just purchased this and it's by Catrice. It's a under eye brightener, supposed to make you look instantly awake. So far, I like it. I'm still working with it, still testing it out. I got it in the shade Light Rose. So I like to next then put my foundation on. And this product is pretty new for me, so still testing this out. I purchased this recently. It's by e.l.f. It's called Soft Glam. It's going to give you like a satin finish, and it is medium to buildable coverage. I got it in the shade Light Neutral number 21. I like to then next go in with my concealer by number 7, and this is the Hydraluminous Dark Circle Concealer. It's a little light for my skin complexion, but I make it work. Okay, let's warm our face up. I'm gonna be using another new product for me I just purchased by e.l.f. It's called the Cameo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. This shade right here is Fair to Light. It's number 2, and so far I like it with my complexion. It gives me a nice warmth. It doesn't overpower. It doesn't make me look dirty or anything. And it's very blendable. So far so good. Okay, so the main focus is our eyes, so we want to keep everything else neutral. I'm going to go in and grab this highlight and blush palette by Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics in the shades Warm Glare and Celestial Eclipse. They're like a peachy, neutral kind of tones, and I'm just going to add that to the apples of my cheeks. Now I like to go ahead and add my translucent powder to my T-zones and then underneath my eyes. All right, let's get to the fun part. For this look, I'm not going to be adding any eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using this creamy eyeshadow stick. And this is by LA Colors. And so as I'm opening and closing my eye, I'm placing that color where I want it. And at the outer corner of my eyes, I'm making like a C shape to kind of round it out. I then take this darker green shade from my Fantasy Prism palette and I go on and trace on top of that lighter green shade we have. So next I take my water activated liners. I'm going to be taking this blue color. Now whatever 2 shades you choose, just make sure they complement each other, like blue and red or pink and green. For this look, I'll obviously you see I'll be using green and blue. Now I try to catch a better angle for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm doing. You can see here I'm just keep making a C shape and just kind of rounding and circling out and then filling it in. So I will say that this look is going to require you to have some patience, and it's going to require you to take some practice. Practice makes perfect, and so I'm just here making sure the lines look straight and even. And I'm also bringing that blue liner to my upper lash line and into the inner corners of my eyes. Now I go ahead and I tightline my upper waterline. I like to look in the mirror, place the pencil at the roots, look down, and then wiggle the pencil back and forth. Next, I like to go in and curl my lashes. Next, we have mascara and some press and go lashes by Kiss. And finally, we're going to finish off this makeup look with a neutral lip. Now we want to keep our skin looking fresh. We apply some setting spray, and this one is from ZC Cosmetics. And I almost forgot to add highlight. I'm taking this one by Just Jimena, and I'm adding it to the inner corner of my eyes and to the upper arch brow area. So that completes today's look. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more makeup tips and tricks. And until next time, stay beautiful and keep exploring. And remember this, makeup is just art, beauty is spirit. Ciao.